Hey, guess what? The cutest girl in the world, but who's the best chef?
The man and the vet.
Okay, big shot of the man in the pan. Hey, guess what, man? I'm in a war with the greatest couple of all. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shot of the man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today, I'm gonna do something super exciting. I'm gonna do Oyako Donburi. Oyako Donburi is a very interesting dish. Oya means parent, ko means child, and don means bowl. It's a very, very simple recipe. And I got dashi. So I got that dashi no moto, and I made about three-fourth cups of dashi right here. And I put in about 2 tablespoons of shoyu, and I put a tablespoon and a half of sugar, put a tablespoon and a half of mirin. Okay, so that's a basic sauce. Then I stir it all up. So this is gonna be my basic Oyako Donburi sauce. I heat up the man in the pan, and I add in this sauce. Okay, and I bring the sauce to a boil. Then I'll throw in my other ingredients. So in the meantime, you cut some green onions, about 1/4 cup. You cut some round onions, about 1/2 cup. And you cut about 3/4 pound of chicken. It could be chicken breast, could be boneless chicken thighs, but the key about it is that it gotta be boneless. So while the thing is heating up, you get the 3 eggs, crack it in here. I use Mountain Apple brand eggs. I use all local eggs. You get the eggs, right? And you beat it up. Then, just to speed up the process, you know the green onions? Put it inside over here and stir it up inside my egg mixture, okay? And the reason why I use the green onion is gonna add some color. Okay, the thing is getting hot, so I put the chicken inside and let it go, okay? So you gotta cook the chicken, okay? Okay, so while it's chicken and cooked, I got a bowl and I put some rice inside here, okay? Right, you're gonna eat it on the rice. Now inside here, I'll add my round onions, okay? Put my Now everything cooked. Oh man, I cannot wait. Cause you know this is really a go-to dish. Like, you know, if you don't know what to cook, this is so easy. There's all ingredients you find at home. Okay, slowly you mix in the egg, and as you kind of put it in, you kind of like constantly keep on stirring it, right? Okay, so this is the ko. Oyako. So this is a child. So this is the child mixed up with the adult. Okay, Oyako Donburi. So as it heats up, the egg kind of cooks inside the liquid, and it gets more and more solid. Okay, I think it's just about ready. Okay, let me scoop it inside here. Here you go, Oyako Donburi. Baga look good, but let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's so piping hot. Oh, it's so hot. It's so good. Oh man. Cold day, hot day, any day, Oyako Donburi. So we'll see you the next time on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.